Hey guys, I am on my way to the beach. I have a little beach date and just quick outfit check. And with this golden hair, golden jewelry, I only think it's fair for my fragrance to be golden vanilla sweet spot fragrance. So that's what I'll be wearing today. Oh, one of my favorites, because who doesn't love smelling like vanilla and tasting like vanilla? Yummy. So just gonna put this like literally all over, a little bit there, the booties, a little bit here, just honestly all over, because just want your man to just enjoy that taste.